Good afternoon. Video 2. The movies. Present yourself. My name is Carlos Engativa. I study industrial engineer. I am from NOPSA. Name of the movie. Finding Nemo. Synopsis. Nemo a smart fish, much loved and protected by his father, is locked outside the Great Bear of the Australian reef. After being caught by this reef, Nemo will end up in a fishbowl in Sydney. It fires a clownfish star his quid in and embark on dangerous adventure with Dory, a thing with very light memory. At the same time, Nemo is named from a red planet, a plan to escape to Fishbowl. What did you learn about the movie? The story deals with education isolated that from my point of view feels perfectly for the education of our children. We talk about aspects relevant to age. It falls day with issues related to respect for time marine every moment. How did the movie make you feel? The film shows we can make mistakes in and not know how to reconcile in time to do things right. Many times human beings are very reluctant to accept things very untrue and do not accept reality. How does the film relate to the academic program you are a student? Then for more difficult, we ask how to find the best solution without affecting others. Until submitting is the very low listen so as not to be wrong. Carl Jung.